Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. I am so sorry that I couldn't post in the past 2 weeks because I was down with viral and I'm kind of recovering right now. So we'll not be learning a new song or a practice exercise. But there was one very good question that was posted by Rishiji, and he wanted to know, when we are practicing at home, how will we know that we are singing it correct? Or how will we understand if whatever we are singing is the right way to sing? I think that's a very good question, and let's see how we can try and figure this out. Okay, see, the best way to learn music is from a guru. There is no replacement for guru. Okay, gurus are like, mothers, there is no replacement, right? So it's like them, because when you start learning, the step by step guidance can be given only by a guru. But our question is not targeted to those who are already learning from a guru, right? Our question is targeted to those who are not able to find a guru and they are not able to learn music in a traditional manner. In this case, what you can do is you can reach out to a friend or anyone you know who knows music, okay? And you can try and seek guidance from them. That is another way to learn. For example, even now I kind of reach out to my friend and I keep asking her a lot of questions, okay? And she helps me learn. So this is one way to learn. If you have somebody who knows music, you can reach out to them, because friends can really help. That is a very good way to learn. Say you don't have this option. What is the next option that you can do is try and record yourself, okay? When you're trying to sing a lesson, say for example, sa re ga ma pa da ni sa, try to record this and listen to it again. If you understand that how the notes are placed, you'll be easily able to figure out where you're going wrong, okay? So this is another way to learn. Record your songs and then try to listen to it and see if you're able to find the corrections. This is one other way to find and understand how we are singing, okay? I normally do this practice of trying to record myself and listening to me just to understand where all I'm going wrong. That has helped me a lot because not all the time I reach out to my friend, but most of the times I kind of record myself and try to understand how I'm singing. So this is another way to understand and learn, okay? If this option also doesn't work for you, another option for you would be, when you're trying to learn something from, say, a YouTube video, what you do is play that video, you sing along with that, and you record that, okay? So now you have two different voices in that particular recording, right? So from this recording, you will be easily able to understand where you're splitting. Because when you try and record your voice along with the one who is singing or from where you're learning from, you will be easily able to identify the differences in that. If there are any notes that are going off, that will be very evident in that recording, okay? This is a very good way to understand your mistakes, because there will be two different voices, and if there are any deflections, you'll be easily able to identify from the recording, okay? And another resort for this would be taking the help of an instrument, okay? What you do, you take an instrument, any instrument it can be. I would recommend harmonium or piano or even guitar for that matter, if you know to play the swaras, okay? To show you how this works, I have this instrument called the melodica, okay? Now in this, I'm trying to play the note ma. Sa re ga ma. And now I'm trying to sing along with that note ma, okay? Ma. If you notice this, there is a clear difference. My voice is not coinciding with the note that I'm playing, right? When I say coincide, your voice and that note should sound like one single note. It should sound like one single voice and not two different voices. Understood? Say now I have to bring that note down to the correct position. Ma. Ma. So it's okay if you're trying to search your notes all around. but finally try to understand the sound that is coming out of this instrument and try to coincide with that sound. Now you will see that the sound of the instrument and the sound of your voice are sounding as one. So this is another way to understand if you're singing it right or if you're singing it wrong. Okay. Say if you're not able to figure out any of these methods and it's not helping you much, what you can do is you can send me an audio recording. I have given my Instagram handle in the description of my channel. So you try and send me an audio recording of your voice and I'll listen to it and I'll help you correct that. Okay. There might be a little delay in response, but I will definitely help you out with that. So that was the video for today. I hope Rishi ji, I answered your question, and thank you once again for posting this very beautiful question, because this is a very important thing and you will have to correct this at the time when you start learning, because if you start learning wrong and if you just continue with it not realizing that you're learning wrong, then that might be a bigger problem to solve, because your voice and muscle memory will be accustomed to singing the wrong notes. So thank you so much for this beautiful question. I hope not only you, so many people are going to get helped with this particular question. So thank you for that. And if you like the content that I'm posting, please do share it with your friends and family. And I will see you soon with yet another beautiful video next week. Till then, take care and keep singing.